Teachers love rewarding and motivating their students, and in a digital classroom, it's no different. I'm going to show you how you can use digital stickers in your Google Classroom. Once you download the PDF, you're going to be asked to make a copy so that it will be in your Google Drive. You can rename it whatever you would like, and leave this tab open. Now I'm going to head over to my Google Classroom and click on Classwork to see what my students have turned in. I have one student who's turned in identifying fractions, so let's open it up and add a sticker once we grade it. So I'm going to head back over to the tab where I have my stickers, and I'm going to right-click the sticker that I want, and I'm going to copy it. Head back to my student's work, and I'm going to Control-V to paste it. And I'm going to make my sticker large because I want my students to see it, and you can even tilt it. Once you're done grading it and you've added a grade, you can return it. You can also go back to your classwork and you can grade documents also. Let's open up this student's work. So I want to use a different sticker this time. So I'm going to head back to my Digital Stickers tab and choose a different one. I'm going to right-click, copy, and then I'm going to paste that on this student's document. And you can also tilt it if you would like, or resize it.